Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to pull off the alternator for you guys on a 2004 WRX. Loosen up this bolt here with the 12. You also have this plug that needs to come out. That's right here on top of your alternator. So I can push the button with one finger, use a screwdriver to get it out, makes it easier. You also got this 12 up here, the washer on there. You got that one loose, then you go ahead and come loosen this one up over here. Just a little bit, and then you can loosen this by walking it down as far as you can. And pull your belt off. Then you can tighten that back up so you can take that bolt all the way out. But first of all, go ahead and pull this one off. There's a bracket behind it. Pull that one all the way out. Pull it up just like that, it is off. Now time to install the alternator. Come in like this. Come in like that, let your bolt through. You can tighten it down a tiny bit. Bring this up, line this up, and make sure the flat part on here is going back towards that. Bring it back down. Belt on. Head up to your liking. Tighten this one that. Go ahead and tighten that. Now go ahead and plug it back in. And just like that, that's how you remove and install your alternator. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.